Team 360 provides 5 type of after sales support. Number 1, if any person takes authorization center of Team 360, he or she can start work immediately. He can also approach the director and principal of any school and appraise the concept and take the date for seminar to demonstrate the concept before students. And he can also use the Team 360 officials as a helpline. And Team 360 officials are very well experts, so they can better convince the director and principal on call. Number 2, if any person faces any problem in DMIT report counseling and risk analysis report counseling, then he can seek help of officials of Team 360. And one more thing, online support is also available for the counseling. Number 3, most effective support. The officers of Team 360 visit and organize seminar in a school if invited by authorization center, and only TADA will be paid by authorization center. If a school is converted, then 20% of revenue will be shared to Team 360. Number 4, Team 360 also provides digital marketing support, like example, how to create videos for YouTube, Instagram and Facebook, how to upload videos on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, and how to run profitable ad on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. So many inquiries may be received. Number 5, students showing any excellent or significant progress, then their performance may be covered by TV channels through our efforts. And we also highlight the performance of students in newspaper. Friends, these supports are very effective to enhance the growth of business of authorization center. So not lose the time, grab the opportunity and earn lakhs of rupees with the help of Team 360.